Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jackie from Volto Technology. We are specializing in the home theater projector manufacture and exporting to all over the world. Today, there is very good news to tell you. We have moved a very big factory. As you see, there are more than 4,000 square meter workshop. Please take a look. And here is our dust-free workshop. Please take a look. As you see, the projector, there is big challenge. If there is dust-free get in, it's very big problem. So we use the dust-free workshop. Okay? So no any dust get into the projectors. The goods we transfer from this way, so the dust was isolated outside. And here is our report of our management. Please follow me. Please take a look. Here the dust-free workshop inside. And here is a check-in for projectors. All the lines automatically. Let's take a look. Please take a look. Here is our inspection department. So every spare parts we have to 100% inspect it to guarantee the quality. As you see, the worker here checking the components of our spare parts very carefully so no any defective spare parts get in. So if any problem, we'll get it back to the suppliers. So you are guaranteed with us. Here is our quality procedure. As you can see, the accuracy department, and here is the QC department online, and here is the OQC department. All of the procedure was here. Here, welcome to our parking department. Please take a look. Our working here at this working more than 5-6 years, so they are very professionally. Okay, and here is our R&D department. So we always can updating the new machines, new models every 2 or 3 months. Okay, here we would like to share with you our showroom and our company soon. Here are all of the machines, all of the new models over here. And we would like to introduce to you one by one. Welcome to our office area. Here is our staff here, sales and after sales service. All of the procedure we are taking the responsibility. Operation team here. Please take a look. And here is our financial department. And here, most importantly, I would like to introduce to you is our all equipment, the testing equipment and the voltage equipment here. So you're very safe with us. All of the testing equipment was here, especially for this kind of temperature testing. Humidity and the temperature testing machine was here. So our projector go to a very hot area like Qatar, Dubai, some hot area. So we will do the temperature testing here before we start the production. Here also is the equipment for the electricity and voltage equipment. Welcome to our check-in and quality department. So every projector will be inspected very carefully, 100% inspected. So every procedure was here to check in every projector if it's good or not good, especially for the speaker and main board, every specification. And here is the procedure was here. See, we were checking like every apps, YouTube, Netflix, is correct or not. And here we were checking very carefully for every specifications, especially for the brightness and the resolution, if it's correct. Here is our aging test. Every projector aging test like 3 or 4 hours at least. So you are very safe with us. Maybe testing. So even the temperature is 34 and the projector can use normally. And welcome to our warehouse. We have very big warehouse here and the stock was here. We are ready to ship to USA for all of these goods. We have cooperated with the big customer like Iowa and as you see the Bernpunke, all of the big brands.